I'm here with Chad Parks from Cardinal Financial today, and we wanted to talk a little bit about a new program that he has available and that they are rolling out, and one of the first to do so. Hi, Chad. How are you doing today?
Doing well. How are you?
I'm doing good. So I'm up here in Seattle, and it looks like you're in your office. So wanted to take a minute today to just talk about this program and some of the interesting highlights that it has. Um, I think up to and including maybe additional dwelling units, which I know are people are very interested in. And we have an aging community that is something near and dear to me. So giving people the opportunity to have that on their property, whether it be for a rental or for their family and stuff. But I'm going to let you kind of take it from here and talk a little bit about this product that's coming out.
Yeah, absolutely. So we have a new renovation product on the conventional side, which what we like about it is it has a wide range of uses, everything from just minor cosmetic rehabs all the way up to a complete remodel of the home, and even up to and including adding accessory dwelling units, whether they're attached or detached. And so this program is available for owner occupants. It's also available for investors, and the loan to value is based on the future completed value, including if we add square footage in terms of an ADU or otherwise. So it's really a wide-ranging program that gives us a lot of flexibility with respect to doing remodels, but also what we're really excited about is the ability for clients to buy a home or refinance a home and build an accessory dwelling unit for anybody who's got, aging parents, or if they want to, create an investment property that cash flows more than it would otherwise. So there's really some excitement around this program.
Absolutely. So one of the things we talked about a little bit earlier was the ability to maybe even have first-time home buyers, or people that qualify, wrap their appliance packages in that. Talk a little bit about that.
Yeah. So on the far one end of the spectrum is the complete remodel of the home, adding square footage. On the other end of the spectrum, we can get down as low as, just financing appliances, which we don't expect to be something that we do a lot of. But if we have a client who's purchasing a home, putting 5% down, and they find their dream home, but it needs a facelift in the kitchen. Maybe it doesn't need counters, but it just needs some new appliances and such. We can actually flip it over to this program, and as part of closing, we'll send a check to Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever it is they're getting their appliances from. And so that's kind of one end of the spectrum. The other one is, like I said, the full remodel, and everything in between is available. So
Right. Because I think something that was interesting to me is, like I said, adding that additional dwelling unit, whether it be for a family member or potential rental income, which, like we talked about, would offset, basically even refinancing your current home and, a rise in that basically, but having those rents come in would offset that, quite a bit, if not bring you into a income producing potential. So,
with all the new laws with all the new laws being thrown around, we're expecting ADUs to become much more common. And so to have some financing programs that are going to help people get into that situation sooner is great, because we do expect, as this becomes more commonplace, that we'll see more and more ADUs popping up in terms of rentals to either offset somebody's mortgage payment, or if they move out and make it into an investment, you can actually end up eventually having a house and two ADUs on the same lot. The income potential there is significant.
Sure, absolutely. Well, and I think something that we need to share is because you and I both are privy to it a little bit more maybe than the layperson, but we're definitely going to have some zoning changes come through in the next 12 to 25 months, 24 months in 2025, potentially, or sooner, that are going to basically change the density and change what your zoning laws are regarding your property. So if you have a 10,000 square foot lot with a big backyard, you may be able to add this additional dwelling unit, have a separate entry, all of those kind of things to have income potential, or have a family member or, aging population come live with you. So, but I think what I like about that, because seniors are near and dear to me too, or even, veterans or different things that, might need a place to stay when they come back home, is, having this all wrapped in your one loan, and not having to worry about how do we make this work, because the zoning laws are going to be working for us, and then this product is going to be working for us, it sounds like. So I'm interested in talking more with you as you guys roll this out, offering some of my clients and our clients a little bit more each time we talk.